Hello traders. So I'm back with the stocks for intraday, and I have shortlisted 4 of the stocks. So let's check that out. The first stock is Gujarat Gas, and if you see the 15-minute time frame, it has broken this crucial support. However, it coming back to retest this. If the retest gets failed, so you can aim for the targets. You can short the stock and you can get 3% of the target. However, just keep an eye on this stock, and if the stock opens gap up, wait for the price action, and then only take the trade. As the stochastic RSI is suggesting, it's in oversold territory, so the stock might go up. So according to the price action, please take the trade on this. However, if you see this resistance line is acting as a good resistance, then and after retest has been failed, so you can enter the trade somewhere around 654, and you can aim for the targets of 632.20. And if it sustains this break this resistance and take support here, then you might get a target for this up to here. So 2% of the target for the intraday. So keep an eye on the stock. So the next stock is GE Power. As you see here, I'll mark you one of the levels where it's a no trading zone. So you should not be taking any trade for this stocks until this line is broken. So if you want to go long in this, let the stock go above 339, and then only take a trade. And if you want to short this, then wait for this 335 to be broken, and then you can go for the targets and you will be getting 3% as well. So do not take a trade in this range. Okay, so once this range is broken, then only go ahead and take a trade. So this is another stock. So the next stock is Quick Heal Technologies. So as you can see here, the stock was in a bit of an uptrend, and what happens is it faces a resistance here. If I go to 1 hour time frame, yeah, so you can see it's forming a kind of a head and shoulder. So you can aim for the targets. So let me go to 15-minute. So this is a very crucial support for this of 267. So once this support is broken, you can go ahead and short sell this, and you'll be getting 3% targets. If it sustains above this trend line and starts going up, you can go long in this stock, and you'll be getting the targets of 5%. However, try to take a profit here. Until here, you can take a profit, like 70% of your profit should be taken here, because as you can see there, this will act as a resistance for the stock. So try taking a profit here, and the remaining you can be trailing with the stop loss. So that's this is another stock. Let's go to the last stock of the day. It's again, it's a Greaves Cotton. If you see here, it's beautifully respecting this support line, and once this went below and taken support here, and again today the stock broke this trend line and again came to retest. It's in a very good position. Once the stock crosses 168 levels, you can go ahead and buy this stock, and you'll be getting good targets of somewhere around 3%. And if this trend line gets broken, so you can short this at 160. One second. You can short this at 166.20, or you can short it at 166 level, and you can expect a target of minimum 2.5. So this is a crucial support for this. Last time it has been it has taken support from these levels only. So keep an eye on these levels, and please do follow the rules which I have given in this. You have to take a trade only when this resistance is broken, and it has to retest this, and it has to give an up move. Then only you will be taking a trade on this. So yeah, so follow this all the rules, and I wish you all the best for tomorrow. Thank you so much, and please do share the video with your friends if you are liking my analysis, and thank you so much.